You've probably asked ChatGPT to write a poem or answer a trivia question. But did you know the right prompt can save you hours of work every week? In this video, I'll give you 10 real-world ChatGPT prompts that you can start using today to reclaim your time, sharpen your thinking, and get more done. Welcome back to AITHORITY, where we decode the AI tools shaping your work, life, and future. Today, we're zeroing in on ChatGPT, but not for gimmicks. We're talking about high-utility prompts that can help you write, plan, research, think, and organize faster and better. Whether you're a freelancer, student, manager, or just trying to survive your inbox, these 10 prompts will give you a serious edge. Prompt 1. The Time Saver. Prompt. Summarize this document in 5 bullet points for a team update. Paste document. Use it for emails, reports, meeting notes. Result: cuts reading and rewriting time in half. Great for internal comms or Slack updates. Prompt 2. The Smart To-Do List. Generator. Prompt: based on this project goal, generate a task list with due dates and priorities. Use it for work planning, side hustles, project kickoff. Bonus tip: ask it to group by urgency. Now, next, later. Prompt 3. Executive Briefing. Prompt. Create a 3-paragraph briefing for a non-technical executive explaining complex topic. Use it for pitch decks, stakeholder emails, cross-functional communication. Example. Use it to explain LLM fine-tuning in plain English. Prompt 4. Email. Draft Assistant. Prompt. Write a polite but firm follow-up email requesting project status and next steps. Use it for clients, colleagues, vendors. Chasing emails that feel awkward. Pro tip: paste your last email into the prompt for more context. Prompt 5. Brainstorm. Buddy. Prompt. Give me 10 content ideas around topic that haven't been overdone with titles and short descriptions. Use it for YouTube blog posts. LinkedIn, it's fast, free, and always-on ideation support. Prompt 6. Rewrite like a pro. Prompt. Rewrite this paragraph to sound clearer, more professional, and 20% shorter. Use it for reports, proposals, resumes. It's Grammarly, Hemingway, and your favorite editor rolled into one. Prompt 7. Rapid market research. Prompt. Give me a 1-page analysis of current trends in industry or niche, including 3 opportunities and 3 risks. Use it for product planning. Thought leadership. Quick start research. You can even ask it to cite sources or provide further reading. Prompt 8. Competitor analysis. Helper. Prompt. Summarize this competitor's key offerings, strengths, and weaknesses based on this web page. Insert text or summary. Use it for competitive decks SWOT analysis, strategic planning. Not just what they offer, but how they're positioning themselves. Prompt 9. Weekly review. Coached prompt. Help me reflect on my past week. What went well, what didn't, and what to focus on next week. Use coaching-style prompts. Use it for habit tracking, personal growth journaling. You'll be amazed how good ChatGPT is at structured reflection. Prompt 10. AI as a thinking partner. Prompt. Challenge my assumptions about idea or decision by offering 3 counter-arguments and questions to consider. Use it for decision-making, business planning, creative work. Think of it like hiring a devil's advocate, but less annoying. Bonus, prompt tweaks that make a huge difference. To make these prompts even better, always add context. The more specific, the smarter the response. Use follow-up prompts. Treat ChatGPT like a conversation, not a vending machine. Save good prompts in a swipe file or Notion doc so you can reuse them. Real-world results. Using just 3 to 4 of these prompts each week, I've saved 2 hours in meetings, hour in writing, 2 to 5 hours in project setup, research, and admin. That's a full workday reclaimed without needing more apps, subscriptions, or early wake-ups. The future of work isn't just about using AI. It's about prompting it well. If If you're ready to become the kind of person who gets more done with less effort, hit subscribe to AITHORITY. Drop a comment below with your favorite prompt or the one you're excited to try first. And stay tuned. Tomorrow, we are diving into how to use Claude 3 for research, planning, and next-level thinking.